Alright guys, so coming over here right now, you can see that the price of one kaito token is actually 1.59 USDT. And right now guys, on this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to claim the airdrop. But there is one special thing about this airdrop. Most people who didn't even participate on the airdrop at all were actually eligible to claim some certain tokens. Watch out on this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to go around it and check if you were actually qualified to receive some token, and the reason why you that has been trying it for a very long time we're not able to actually claim it. So watch out on this video. We are going to be getting started right now. Before we get started properly, please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do well to actually subscribe and like this video you are watching right now. It literally means the whole world to us, and it actually keep us motivated to actually make more educational video that's going to be helping all of us make some cool money right here. So kaito was actually listed yesterday. You can see right now it's actually made a all-time high of $2 right now, and you can see it is currently in an uptrend. And right now guys, let's now talk about how we can be able to get the airdrop. So coming over here right now on Twitter, you can see that this kaito airdrop actually made people millionaires multiple millionaires right here. You can see a lot of people actually got a lot of massive allocation right here. You can see one kaito token is currently $1.5, and you can see this person right here actually made about 139,481 kaito. And when you convert this to naira, you can see that this person literally made over around 400 or 350 million naira. And you can see, the more you scroll down, the more you see a lot of testimonies from this kaito airdrop. But we are not going to be delaying on this. We are going to be going straight, and we're going to be checking how we can be able to claim this airdrop. So the first thing you need to do is you need your metamask wallet or any wallet that you can easily access the internet from. So right now guys, the link to the kaito airdrop is going to be on the video description box, so make sure you copy the link, paste it on your browser, and once you just search for it, it is going to be bringing you exactly to this page right here. So you can see over here guys, this is actually a new thing right here. You can see we can claim this airdrop until the 22nd of March. That is when the claiming is going to end, and for us to claim this, we need to actually connect our Twitter account so that our allocation is going to be shown. And from there guys, you can then go ahead and also connect your EVM wallet to check if you are actually holding the Genesis NFT. So if you're holding the Genesis NFT, you are now going to be getting a very bigger allocation. But by just connecting your Twitter account alone, you may get a little allocation if you didn't participate on the airdrop. But if you participated on the airdrop, then you are definitely going to be getting something very massive. All right, so right guys, without wasting time, I need you to know that before you can be able to claim this airdrop, you need to have at least $4 to $5 worth of base Ethereum on the wallet that you are going to be connecting. For example, right now, when I click over here right now, let me check out my metamask wallet, and over here guys, on my metamask wallet, then you can see that I have around, let me see what I got right here. Okay, you can see right here guys that I have around $11 worth of base Ethereum right here. You can see $11. So right now I'm not going to be going to claim this airdrop right here. Okay, I'm going to be claiming it right now. All right, so over here guys, what I need to do from here is simply go ahead and of course connect my Twitter account. That's the first thing. So right now I will click on connect X account, and once you click on connect X account, it's going to be asking you to actually authorize this website to actually access your have access to your Twitter account. Though they won't do anything, they just need to get some few data that's going to be helping them allocate you some airdrops. So right now I will click on authorize immediately, and it will load up immediately, and it's going to be showing me my allocation right now. All right, so over here guys, you can see this is it right now, and you can see it will just load up a little bit, and of course you can see I was only eligible to claim 18 kaito, but I'm not gonna lie for you, I didn't participate on this airdrop, to be honest. All right, so now guys, I'm not holding the NFT radar, so but let me just go ahead and try and see if I'm actually going to be getting something. I will click on connect EVM wallet, and I will select my metamask, of course. Let's see what we are going to have right here. All right, so you need to go ahead and of course check many of your wallets to see if you are holding that NFT. You can also check many of your Twitter account to know if you are holding any allocation from your Twitter account. You can see over here I wasn't holding the NFT, so I got 0 allocation from here. So what I need to do from now is to simply go ahead to connect my wallet so that I can be able to claim this 18 kaito. Right now on this website, I will go ahead and of course click on connect wallet and select my metamask. Right now guys, my metamask is going to be connected right now. All right, so right now I need to actually approve the connection, connect. So right now my metamask is going to be connected immediately, and you can see the claim button is now live. All right, so what I need to do from here is simply go ahead and of course click on claim. So clicking on claim right now, if you do not have enough Ethereum or base Ethereum on your wallet, this claiming is not going to go through, but you need a base Ethereum to be able to claim this. So right now, guys, you can see they are actually going to be asking us to actually approve this transaction. You can see right now I'm going to be spending I'm going to be spending, let me show you clearly so you understand before you proceed. I'm going to be spending $4.15 to get about $27, which is my own personal allocation. Your allocation could be slightly different. All right, so right now, guys, what I need to do from here is very easy. What I need to do right now is to simply go ahead and approve. I will click on confirm to approve this transaction. You can see right now the transaction is pending. Let's wait and see how it's going to be going. And you can see right now, claim successful. I have been able to claim this Kaito airdrop. By opening up my MetaMask wallet right now, let's see what we have right here. Okay, we go to token, and of course you can see the Kaito is not showing up here. For now, it's not showing up. So what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and of course click on these three dots. And once you click on these three dots, you need to click on import token. You can see that you can actually import the token right here, but first you need the contract address. But before you go ahead and of course insert the contract address, you need to actually search for the token. Okay, I will search for it right here. You can see Kaito, and over here right now you can see it is not popping up right here, meaning that I cannot add it by searching for it. So right now I'm going to be needing the contract address. The contract address is also going to be on the video description. So right now I will click on custom, and once you click on custom, you need to paste the contract address. I will long press it to actually paste the contract address right here. So I need to actually click on the next. You can see the symbol and the decimal is going to be appearing automatically. I will click on next, and right now, guys, you can see the Kaito is showing up right here. I will click on import, and right now it is going to be imported to my wallet immediately. All right, so over you can see imported successfully right here, and let's now go ahead and of course refresh this page to actually see it right here. Okay, so and over here right now you can see this is the Kaito token right here below. You can see it right here, but the value is not actually showing up right here. This is the Kaito token down here. I will click on it, and you can see I now have 18 Kaito right now. So what do I need to do from here? What I need to do is very simple. What I need to do is simply head over to my Uniswap right here. Okay, so I'm coming right here to my Uniswap to actually make a trade. That is if you want to sell your Kaito to any token of your choice. So what I need to do is simply go ahead and of course select the token, which is Kaito. Let's now search for it. You can see Kaito is popping up right here, and it's currently worth about $28 right here. And of course you can see I'm now going to be adding this token right now. I need to just click on confirm. Okay, I'll click on confirm. Right now, if I want to be selling my own Kaito airdrop, I'm going to be getting a certain amount of token. Okay, but I'm going to be converting it to USDC rather. Over here right now you can see when I try to sell my Kaito token, I'm going to be getting 28.8 USDT. You can decide to hold this token so that the value will appreciate, or you can sell it instantly and take your profit. So this is the update that I have for you guys right now. So go ahead and try it. All the link is going to be on the video description box. Make sure you check it out right now, claim your free token, and enjoy yourself. Thank you, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Peace.